Hey, I'm Wyatt Windhorst, and I'll be providing some nutritional information for your greens and beans soup meal. I'm in the kitchen. Thought it fit for the video. So starting with your ingredients: canola oil. You have canola oil, which is a popular cooking oil. It is low in saturated, aka the bad fats, and high in monosaturated fats, which are some of the good fats. Next, you have some vegetables. You have onions, sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and all of which are a good source of vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and much more. You also have different spices such as paprika, cinnamon, ginger, cumin, black pepper, all of which have their own unique benefits. But in general, most spices are good as antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, they support digestion, boost metabolism, and good for your gut microbiome, and much more. You also have tomatoes, which are a great source of vitamins, fiber, and minerals. And the nutritional information for this meal is 134 calories, 4 grams of healthy fats, a little bit of cholesterol and sodium, 20 grams of carbohydrates, which are good for energy, 6 grams of fiber, which is good for digestion and the GI, 6 grams of protein, which is good for your muscles, and 4 grams of sugar, which is also good for energy. All of this makes this meal a very healthy meal, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.